In this video, we'll demonstrate how to lock a note on iPhone 15 with a password. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Keeping your sensitive information secure is essential, and the iPhone 15 makes it easy to protect your notes with a password. To use this feature, start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone 15. You can find it on your home screen or in the app library. Within the Notes app, locate the specific note that you want to lock. Tap and hold that note to reveal a menu of options. In the menu that appears, select Lock Note. This will prompt you to set a password for the selected note. Now, you have the option to use your iPhone's unlock password or set a separate password for this note. Let's choose a separate password for added security. Tap Create Password and proceed. Type your desired password into the provided fields. It's essential to create a strong, memorable password for your note. Additionally, you can give a hint that will help you recover the note's password if you ever forget it. Once you've entered the password and hint, tap Continue to confirm your choices. With the password set, your note is now securely locked. To test it, close the Notes app. Now, to check it out, reopen the Notes app and navigate to the note you've secured with a password. Tap the locked note and you will be prompted to enter the password you created earlier. Once the correct password is entered, you'll have full access to the content within the note. Congratulations, you've successfully locked and unlocked a note on your iPhone 15. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.